Okay, today we're going to discuss total domination and we're going to go over the website. And if there are any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Eh,
Blueberry, huh?
We are going to discuss more about creating your blog, your shopping cart, and also the Zaki website builder. Via the Zaki app builder or installer, I will mention 19 popular software programs for installation that you can install once you create a account with Total Domination by upgrading to one of our paid plans. Okay? I'll discuss or mention 5 popular software programs. WordPress. WordPress is one of the most popular and used CMS platforms in the world with huge number of plugins and themes. It's considered to be the best choice for new users. WordPress version 6.1.1. Joomla. Joomla is more complex than WordPress, but offers more functionality for people who know what to do and what they want for their projects. Joomla version 4.2.6. Drupal. Drupal is flexible, powerful, and highly customizable CMS. A lot of website developers prefer it over the other popular software programs for websites. Drupal version 10.0.2. Grav. Grav is modern open source flat file CMS with fast performance and user-friendly back-end interface. It's one of the best and amazing new free software programs. Grav. Grav version 1.7.3. The fifth CMS content management system I will mention is Typo 3. Typo 3, it can be used to create and manage websites for small or fast growing companies and corporations because of the high flexibility that this CMS has. So these are 5 CMS content management systems, which are the top 5 popular CMS Total Domination has. Okay, we were moving along. CRM, customer relationship management. I mentioned 2 popular ones: vTiger and Suite CRM. vTiger, the first one, vTiger, is a CRM software with enormous functions, modules, and flexibility, which allows you to track the sales and custom services of your store. Next, Suite CRM, or the second. Suite CRM implemented with fantastic modules and always improving core. It's based on the last open sour of Sugar CRM and it is absolute masterpiece. Suite CRM version 1.6. Website builders. I'll mention two popular website builders you can try out when creating an account with Total Domaination. Concrete 5 is the first one, and the second, Building Engine. Concrete 5 is comprehensive admin panel which allows you to edit your pages with a few clicks and create phenomenal websites in no time. Concrete 5 version 4.3.5. The second website builder is Building Engine. Building Engine is next generation of website builders and CMS platforms. You can develop complex, flexible, and amazing websites within minutes. Building Engine version 9.1.3. Shopping carts. I'll mention four popular shopping carts software programs that you can install via Zaki app installer. First would be OpenCart version 3.3.9. Second, OS Commerce. Third, ZenCart version 7.5.0. And fourth, PrestaShop version 1.5.8. Okay, we'll go over the first one I mentioned, OpenCart. OpenCart is simplicity, functionality, and speed are some of the advantages of this system. It is highly recommended for new users. The second shopping cart, OS Commerce. OS Commerce is a popular platform for e-commerce websites. It has a lot of free features and opportunities to help you create the best shopping portal. Third shopping cart, ZenCart. ZenCart is secured and scalable platform with an easy to update option, perfect for those that are familiar with PHP and want to expand their brand. Fourth shopping cart is PrestaShop, and PrestaShop is one of the most popular software programs for online stores in the world. Offers user-friendly interface and customization. Okay, so Zaki website builder or installer is everything you need to get you started on your first or future websites. So you can start building your website now with these 19 popular software programs that are supported by Total Domination. So sign up to one of our paid hosting plans, shared hosting, semi-dedicated hosting, VPS. You can also register a domain and buy SSL certificates. If you want to test Total Domination out for free, you can click on our free hosting link and try our service, explore our features and what they have to offer. And when you're ready to host your website, simply sign up to our paid plan and your website will be a new addition into the World Wide Web. If you have any uh, further assistance, You require any further assistance with your web hosting plan sign up, you can click our sales chat box and fill in your name, your any questions that you might have, along with your email address, and click the send email, and you will be connected to one of our live chat agents, and they will assist you with your web hosting plan and get everything set up for you. And then once you have an account, you can simply log in and type in your client ID or your email address that you signed up with and the password that you created when you signed up. Okay? If you ever lose your password, you can click the lost password link and then it will send you an email notification to reset your password.